Dekopon is a hybrid created by crossing Kiyomi Tangor with Poncon Mandarin in Japan. Japanese breeders carefully developed Dekopon Dot to combine remarkable sweetness, easy peeling, and outstanding fruit quality. Kumamoto Prefecture became one of the most famous regions for producing premium quality Dekopon. Dekopon trees thrive in sunny climates with fertile, well-drained soil and careful water management. Most commercial Dekopon orchards begin with carefully grafted nursery trees that ensure consistent fruit quality. Rootstocks are typically grown for 8 to 12 months before grafting. Grafting preserves the exact characteristics of the parent variety, unlike growing from seed. Successful graft unions allow water and nutrients to move freely between the rootstock and scion. New shoot growth usually begins 2 to 6 weeks after successful graft healing. Nursery-grown grafted trees are commonly transplanted at 12 to 24 months of age. Each young Dekopon tree is carefully planted to give its roots the best possible start in the orchard. Young trees require regular watering during their first 1 to 2 years after planting. Major root establishment occurs during the first 6 to 12 months after transplanting. Vegetative growth continues actively for the first 2 to 3 years after planting. Grafted Dekopon trees commonly begin flowering 2 to 4 years after planting under good growing conditions. Flower buds develop when healthy trees receive adequate sunlight, nutrients, and favorable seasonal temperatures. Citrus blossoms produce nectar that attracts important pollinating insects. While many citrus varieties can self-pollinate, insect activity often improves pollination efficiency and fruit set. Not every flower becomes fruit, as trees naturally shed excess blossoms and young fruitlets. During early development, citrus fruits rapidly divide their cells before expanding in size. Consistent irrigation, mulching, and careful orchard management help Dekopon trees produce premium quality fruit. As ripening progresses, Dekopon fruits develop their vibrant orange color and signature sweet flavor. Harvest typically begins 6 to 8 months after flowering, depending on climate. Each ripe Dekopon is carefully hand-harvested to protect its delicate skin and preserve premium market quality. Commercial harvesting usually continues for 2 to 6 weeks, depending on orchard size and climate. Every premium Dekopon is carefully inspected to ensure it meets high standards for appearance and quality. Freshly harvested Dekopon fruits are carefully placed into baskets to prevent bruising before transport. From above, the carefully managed orchard reveals the scale and precision required to produce premium Dekopon. Once harvested, Dekopon fruit is transported quickly to the packing house to preserve its freshness and quality. Freshly harvested Dekopon arrives at the packing house, where every fruit begins its journey toward consumers. Gentle washing removes dust and field debris while protecting the delicate skin of each Dekopon. Each Dekopon is graded by size, appearance, and quality before moving to the next processing stage. Final quality inspection ensures that premium Dekopon fruit meets the highest standards before packaging. Careful packaging protects every Dekopon so it reaches markets fresh, beautiful, and ready to enjoy. Cold storage slows natural ripening and helps preserve the freshness, sweetness, and texture of Dekopon fruit. Before leaving the packing facility, every shipment is organized for safe and efficient transportation. Refrigerated transportation keeps Dekopon fruit fresh as it travels from orchards to markets around the world. After a carefully managed journey, fresh Dekopon reaches consumers with its flavor and quality preserved. From orchard to market, every carefully handled Dekopon is now ready to be enjoyed at its peak quality. A quick rinse helps remove surface dust before enjoying the naturally sweet and juicy Dekopon. Dekopon is loved for its loose peel, making it one of the easiest premium citrus fruits to enjoy. Each Dekopon segment is filled with sweet juice and a refreshing citrus aroma. Dekopon provides vitamin C, dietary fiber, potassium, folate, and beneficial plant antioxidants. The first bite reveals why Dekopon is admired around the world, for its remarkable sweetness, juiciness, and balanced citrus flavor. As part of a balanced diet, Dekopon provides nutrients that support overall health and everyday wellness. Because Dekopon contains a high percentage of water, it is both refreshing and naturally hydrating. Dekopon can be enjoyed fresh or added to salads, yogurt, smoothies, and many refreshing desserts. Each part of the Dekopon fruit has a unique structure that protects and nourishes its juicy edible segments.
Here you go, sweetie. Try this one. It's so sweet. Careful not to spill the juice.
A healthy Dekopon orchard supports many living organisms that contribute to a balanced and productive ecosystem. Sustainable orchard practices help protect soil, conserve water, and support long-term Dekopon production. Successful Dekopon production depends on the knowledge, dedication, and teamwork of farming communities.
Is this the correct angle?
Today, Dekopon is cultivated in several countries, with Japan remaining famous for its premium quality production. The global Dekopon industry supports growers, packing facilities, transport workers, exporters, and retailers around the world. Premium Dekopon is cultivated in several regions, with Japan remaining internationally recognized for its exceptional quality. The famous top knot and remarkably easy to peel skin make Dekopon one of the world's most recognizable citrus fruits. Larger Dekopon is always sweeter. Fact, sweetness depends on maturity, variety, and growing conditions. Modern research and precision agriculture continue, improving the sustainability and quality of future Dekopon harvests. Well-managed Dekopon trees may remain productive for 30 years or more. Every thriving Dekopon orchard begins with a carefully grafted young tree and years of patient cultivation. Season after season, the Dekopon tree follows nature's rhythm as it grows, flowers, and bears fruit. From a tiny graft to a premium citrus enjoyed around the world, every Dekopon tells a remarkable agricultural story. Behind every Dekopon harvest are dedicated growers whose knowledge and care work hand in hand with nature. With every basket filled, the Dekopon harvest celebrates the harmony between human dedication and the natural world. The distinctive top knot is a characteristic of the variety, but it is not a reliable measure of sweetness. Premium Dekopon is appreciated for its easy-to-peel skin, juicy seedless flesh, and naturally balanced sweet flavor. Well-managed Dekopon orchards can remain productive for 30 years or more, providing high-quality citrus harvests for generations.